What's up traders? Welcome back to the psychology series. Now this is a quick tip on overtrading. Make sure that you watch until the end, smash that like button and share this video. Of course, subscribe to this channel. Right now, I'm going to give you these tips on how to overcome overtrading. Number one, you need to have a limit of how many trades you take per day. Have a limit on how many trades that you take per day, whether they were winning trades or losing trades. Just stop right there, because you're not a machine, you're a human being. You have, let's say, a mental battery, you have fuel. It goes down as you trade, as you continue to focus. As the hours go by, you get more fatigued. So you're prone to make more mistakes and fall under certain cognitive biases by the end of the day. So it's up to you to be disciplined to follow this rule. It's very simple. You just write down on your trading plan, must not place more than 2 trades in one day, must not place more than 4 trades in a week, 5 trades, whatever your strategy is. Give yourself these limits, whether they are in percentage, dollar amount, or in the number of trades. And finally, it's very important that you maintain some sort of a part-time job, something that's going to provide for you and cover your expenses, because you don't want to rely on your trading profits to cover your expenses. This is really important, and it's going to stop you from overtrading, because if you are relying on your profits, of course you're going to overtrade. Of course you're going to want to make more money, because you need to eat, you need to pay your bills. So make sure that you've got a steady stream of income or several streams of income, so that it supports you financially and you don't have a financial burden or the worry that's going to obviously make you overtrade and self-sabotage in your trading. So I hope this video was valuable. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Take care everyone. See you on the next mini psychology series video.